Hello guys, welcome to SMH Solutions. Today we are going to discuss regarding how to use access keys and shared access signature in Azure Storage. Directly we will go to the Azure portal. Okay, for this purpose, first we will create Azure Storage account. Go to create resources or from the home. You can search for the storage account and create storage account. You will select the subscription as well as a resource group. You will select, then give one name to the storage and select the region for this one. Here I use East US. I make it as performance standard and redundancy. I make it as GRS default one. And I will not go to these steps. From the previous steps, you can go advanced networking. Every options you will get it. Anyway, directly I'm going to review. It is successful, then create. From here we can see initialize submitting deployment now. After this one we will go to yes. Okay, it is deployment is starting. Anyway, here I have planned to create one folder Azure, and here we will create some files. This is for our storage SAS token as well as the uh, text document. Azure one, right click, new text document. Azure 2, text document. Azure 3. Anyway, we can go to our portal. Yes, deployment is complete now. Now go to resource. Okay, right now we are in our storage account. Or here you can go from this one. You can see access keys as well as a shared access signature. These two we are going to discuss right now. We are using these access keys for accessing the storage account. For this purpose, first we are going to create a blob storage containers. We are going now from the previous videos. You can see this container, how you can create the container. Everything you can see from my previous videos. Anyway, right now I'm creating container. I will give name storage container, and for this container I will give name as private. Okay, create. This is a private container. Then I will create one more container, blob. This has the blob access have. Create. Then I'll create another one, and for this container it will have the public access. We will make it as public access container access. Okay, create. Now we have created three containers. We have created one is having private access, other one is having blob access, other one is having container access. Now what we are going to do is that in each container we will add the files. Okay, double click on the storage, upload. Then we will add one of the files where we created from in our desktop. We created Azure. First one I am adding in this one, upload. It is uploaded. Then we will go to second container. Here also we will add one of the file, Azure 2, upload. Then we will go to third container. Here also we will add another file, upload. Now we are going to, again, we will go back to our storage account, and we need to access these containers. For this access purpose, we are using our access keys. So directly we can go to this access keys. Whenever you will create any storage account, that storage account automatically it will create two keys, access key 1 as well as the access key 2. If we are providing this access key for the access of these containers or any file shares or queues or tables, that means that that user will have full control over the data storage. Okay, I will show how to use these access keys for the accessing that container. First, we'll go to the Azure Storage Explorer. It is already configured on my PC. I will search this one. And Storage Explorer, how to configure everything I have mentioned from my previous video. You can check that one. Now I'm opening this Azure Storage Explorer. Okay, here I am going to add our storage account. We are going to add now. Previous one I am just removing. Okay. Now you can see how I can add my existing storage account to here. Right click on this one. Then it will ask you to connect it to Azure Storage. Click on this one. Then which way you want to connect. I will click on the storage account or service. Here you can see connection string key or a SAS you can use. Okay, I will go to this next button. Okay, so you can give the name for the storage account. SMH storage full access. I will give the name. Then we need to copy the connection string. So we will go back to the storage account part of our portal. So key 1 we will use. In this one, I will copy this connection string, copy to clipboard. Then again, we will go back to our Azure Storage Explorer. Then I will copy to here. Next, then connect. It will connect. Once you will connect it for our existing storage account with the help of this access key, that means that you will have full power regarding this one. You can add any file, you can delete any file, you can update everything, you can do it. So first we will go to this blob containers because we worked on this blob container. Here you can see three containers we created: first container, second container, third container. And in the first container you can see it should be, yes, already one Azure is there. If you want to upload one another file, what you here you can see everything you can do. Click on this upload folder. If you want to upload the folder. If you want to upload the file, upload the file. Anyway, I click on upload file. Now I will select any file from, yeah, I'm selecting one file to here, then upload it. Yes, it is successfully added new connection. If you want to upload another file also, you can upload it. I'm uploading this one. Okay. If you want to edit the file, click on this one. Double click you can do, or you can just click on this file and click on the open button also, you can do it. Here you can see what it is happening here. Yeah, I'm writing this one. If you want to save it, directly file save, it will automatically save this file. If you will clock, it will close, it will ask file changes detected, what do you want to do. I will make it as upload. So the changes have been stored in the Azure. Yes, it is finished with the complete. If you will click on this one, double click, or you can do, or single open button, you can do it. Right now I have done the double click, you can see done. Okay, if you will go to the portal and if you come back, refresh this one, then containers, Yes, here we made the changes. Yes, Azure one we already added the account, the files here, and here Azure one.txt we change. We have given the change also. Okay. Then now we will go back to the Storage Explorer. If you want to delete one of the files, click on that file, then delete you can do. Delete. Here you can see what is happening, deleting that file, it is deleting. Okay. Now, if you want to create a new folder, click on this font. You can give the new folder name. You can give, it will create here new folder. Everything it will be here. Now, we will go to our next step regarding shared access signature. For the shared access signature purpose, yes, shared access signature you can see here. Why we are using shared access signature means that if we want to restrict the access of our containers, file shares with some other users, for that purpose we are using this shared access signature. If we are going with normal access keys, they will have full power. So for the restriction purpose, yes, it is written here, a shared access signature is a URL that grants restricted access rights to Azure Storage resources. Okay, here what I am going to do is that shared access signature, how we can use the shared access signature, I will show you. Anyway, I will allow the services, blob, file, queue, everything, I will service. I will allow it, I will allow this one. Here what I will do is that, everything, only read permission I will give for this with the help of this shared access signature. And the timing, it should be 11:20. Yes, you can select from which date to which date if you want for this shared access signature should have to work. You can select from here. And which protocol, if you want, you can provide HTTPS only or HTTPS and HTTP, everything, whatever you want. But this shared access signature will generate SAS and connection string with the help of our main key only. That means access key only. Okay, we are selecting our key one, we are selecting. Now you can see generate SAS and connection string. Yes, now it is generated the SAS as well as the connection string. It is generated now. We are copying this connection string now. Then we will go back to our Azure Storage account. And we will add Azure Storage account with the help of the shared access signature. I will give the name. SMS storage with limitation. I will paste our connection string. Next, connect. Now you can see SMS storage with limitation, SAS level key. You can see here in our Storage Explorer. Now, if we will go to our blob containers, you can see our blobs, our containers. You can see I'm opening one of the container now. Here you can see one of the Azure file is there. Here what is our main thing is that we can do the read option only, we cannot edit this file. So we can check whether we can edit this file or not. Okay, click on the open button. Yeah, you can read this file, but anyway nothing is here. I am going to write this one, whether it will happen or not we can see now. File, save, it should not happen. Now I'm going to close this one. I'm going to upload this one, apply. You can see here you don't have the sufficiency for this one, you don't have any right for this one. That means that only you can add this one. If you want to delete this one, try delete. Here what, here also you can see the error message. That means that you have only the read access. So in this video, you can see how to use the access keys as well as the shared access signature. Okay, guys, thank you.